Elliot Evans rownd y gornel, pas hyfryd, Rhys mewn lle, Rhys yn croesi Owen! Ar arbediad cyntaf prynhawn, oddi wrth Sean Pearson. Rhys, pas dda tu fewn, i dod o hyd i Will Evans, a fe sy'n isguboi allan at Harry Owen. Owen yn erbyn Tom Owens, mae'n croesi'n beryglis! Ac mae mewn! A'r gol gyntaf wedi sgorio gan Adam Rosgrow. Croesiad ragorol gan Harry Owen, a blaen trod dde Adam Rosgrow sy'n rhoi'r myfyrwyr ar y blaen. Elliot Evans yn helpu'r bêl dros ben yr amddiffyn at Rosgrow. Rosgrow disgwyl y bêl i ddisgyn i'w drad. Nôl at Elliot Evans, mae hwn yn symudiad da. Allan at Owen! A'r ail gol wedi dod i'r myfyrwyr. 4 munud yn union i mewn i'r ail hanner. Wel, cyfnod o feddiant da, lle gan Harry Owen, taran o ergyd yn Ciro Pearson. Met Caerdydd 2, Llandudno 0. Webb at Davies. Davies yn methu gosod y bas i lwybr Webb. Rosgrow. Ni chwarae mantais, gwaith da gan Mr Jenkins. Rosgrow mewn i'r cwr Cosby! Modfeddi heibio'r postyn. Mae yna dafliad hir gan Ben Clark. Tuag at Danny Hughes. Harry! O, gwych gan George Harry ymyl y cwr Cosby ar yr hanner foli. Camgymeriad gan Pearson. Y rhyngipiad gan Neil. 4 yn erbyn 3 fan hyn. Neil, Owen, ac yna'r bas at Rosgrow. Rosgrow oddi ar y postyn ac i mewn i ail o'r gêm. Y drydedd i'r Met a'r 3 phwynt yn saff. A Rosgrow sy'n rhwydo i ail o'r gêm. Met Caerdydd 3, Llandudno 0.
Nath ni deimlo fel bod ni wedi chwarae'n rili da gêm yna. Bob parch i Llandudno, dyn nhw ddim yn dîm sy'n heiddi bod gwaelod y Gynghrair. Ond rhaid ni trino fel unrhyw gêm arall. A nath ni teimlo, wel, da ni teimlo fel bod ni wedi heiddi'r 3 pwynt heddiw.
It's a cliche, but every game at a time, if we look beyond today, that would have been disrespecting Llandudno. So we didn't do that. We're now focused for Aberystwyth next week, and it's a huge game. It really is a huge game. And the most pleasing thing for me is we've won 7 of our last 8 games, and the game that we lost with 6 players missing. So it tells me that when our team is functioning and everybody's back, then we're a strong outfit. Today, a couple of people missing. We lost Joel early, but again, it just shows the young boys that come in and do well for us. Matt Neil, Gitta Williams, and we still forget how young Will Evans is as well. So it was really pleasing today.
When we started phase 2, we looked and thought Aberystwyth away and Cardiff Met away in particular is the 2 games that we want to get out the way, and we've got them out the way in the first 3 games now, so we can concentrate on the remaining 7 games now, which are massive big games, starting with Clynedd 3 next week. But I thought actually after a slow first half an hour, it took us a little while to get up to speed with them and their rotations and the way they move the ball, because they're a fantastic team, and I think their league position's a bit false, to be honest. I think they're definitely a top 6 side, and they're going to be the strongest team from what I've seen so far in the bottom 6.